Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Dr. Pradhan Health Tips. I am Dr. SP Pradhan. Today going to discuss about a topic on nuts for healthy heart. This video is for the health information of general public. As you know, the heart disease like coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, heart attack are on the rising trend. This may be due to decreased sleep, our lifestyle, and may be due to faulty food habits. So it is utmost important to have a discussion on the foods which have a better healthy cardiac profile. That means they prevent the heart disease and decrease the risk of heart attack. In the last few years, we have lost some of the celebrities and actors in their 40s or 50s, and the cases are really alarming. There is a term called as young age heart attack. Young age heart attack means those people who are getting heart attack in their 40s. This is called as young age heart attack. Normally we don't get heart attack in the 40s, but the incidences are changing nowadays. So it is very much important to have a discussion on the foods which prevent the heart diseases and decrease the chances of heart attack in future. And nuts have a very great role in preventing the cardiovascular diseases. As you know, nuts are not only full of plant proteins, fibers, vitamins, minerals, they are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants means they decrease the free radicals produced inside our body and decrease the chances of cancers. Nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. These are the polyunsaturated fatty acids which have a better cardiac profile than the saturated fatty acids. That means saturated fatty acids are not good for our health. But these polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, they are having a beneficial role in our body. That means they reduce the total cholesterol level. As you know, cholesterol when increased beyond the normal value, they have a negative profile, negative aspect in the heart disease like coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, in metabolic syndromes like diabetes, obesity, like that. So our main purpose is to decrease the total cholesterol level, reducing the chances of hypercholesterolemia and reducing the chances of metabolic syndromes like diabetes, and ultimately decreasing the incidences of heart disease and heart attack. These omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids are very much rich, particularly in nuts, and these nuts are great God gifts to our nature, having abundant polyunsaturated fatty acids. Among the cholesterol, there are basically of two types like good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol is HDL and bad cholesterol is LDL, VLDL and triglycerides. When these triglycerides along with some proteins and calcium get deposited inside the blood vessels, they form plaques, and these plaques gradually increase in size due to hypercholesterolemia. That means when the cholesterol level gradually increases, it increases the chances of plaque formation inside the blood vessels, and gradually it reduces the total amount of blood flow to the vital organs. Thus, the blood flow to the vital organs is compromised. That produces ischemia. Ischemia means decreased blood flow below the normal level, and further it causes the cell death of vital organs, ultimately leading to heart attack. So, our main purpose is to have a handful of nuts in our daily diet so that there should be decreased chances of this cardiovascular diseases. Among that, the different kind of nuts which have a beneficial role in our body are walnuts, cashew nuts, almonds, then pistachio, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and flax seeds. Walnuts are very rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. That means they have the highest amount of UFA in comparison to other nuts. They are not only rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, but also they are rich in micronutrients and fibers. Particularly, they are also rich in copper, which is a cofactor in many enzymatic reaction and also neurotransmitters. Coming to the cashew nut, it is also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Also, it contains good amount of magnesium, which decreases the insulin resistance. As you know, insulin resistance is seen in diabetes. So, the magnesium causes decrease in insulin resistance and decrease in incidence of diabetes. Coming to almonds, along with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, they are also rich in vitamins, minerals and fibers. Particularly, they are having high fibers, which are the undigested carbohydrates, decreasing the chances of diabetes. And pistachios, again same, they have the high amounts of polyunsaturated fatty acids along with high amount of potassium, which regulate the high blood pressure. And other nuts which are of health importance are hazelnuts, chestnuts, Brazil nuts. So, according to a study published in British journal, they found that those people who are taking 4 to 5 servings of nuts per week, they have a 37% reduction of cardiovascular disease and heart attack. Also, according to US FDA, those people who are taking 1.5 ounce of nuts daily, there is a decreased chances of cardiovascular disease. So, this is very much important to have at least 1 to 2 ounces of nuts in our daily diet. 1 ounce means it is around 30 gram. Roughly, we can tell 1 handful of nuts should be taken in our daily diet. So, hopefully this video is helpful to you, and I expect you like this video. Thank you.